Welcome to the 2026 Travel Accessory Brief. This video provides a strategic analysis of the top 20 essential tools for the modern global traveler. Let's begin with a market overview of the premium travel segment and the key drivers of growth in this area. Our first trending accessory is Apple AirTags and trackers. In 2026, baggage tracking is no longer optional. Precision-finding technology is now essential for risk-averse travelers navigating complex global logistics. Second, the Sony WH-1000XM5 ANC headphones provide acoustic isolation. Industry-leading noise cancellation is the primary tool for traveler well-being, creating a sanctuary of silence in high-decibel transit environments. The third accessory is compression packing cubes. These modular systems use advanced zippers to optimize luggage volume, maximizing carry-on capacity by up to 35% while maintaining strict organization. Number 4 is MagSafe fast charge banks. The shift towards high-capacity, low-profile MagSafe banks ensures power reliability, keeping travelers connected without the burden of cumbersome cables. Our fifth item is universal GaN adapters. Integration of gallium nitride technology allows for ultra-compact adapters capable of charging laptops and multiple peripherals from a single wall outlet. Digital luggage scales are number 6. They are a key strategic priority for compliance and cost control, offering precision to within 0.1 kilograms to avoid excess baggage fees. Seventh, memory foam neck pillows. These ergonomic pillows provide 360-degree support, moving beyond basic air pillows, and are critical for long-haul circadian health. Number 8 is LifeStraw filtered bottles. These advanced filtration systems offer hydration security, removing bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, which is essential in regions with inconsistent water infrastructure. The ninth item is the Kindle Paperwhite. This device digitizes hundreds of books into a lightweight, waterproof form factor, remaining the traveler's choice for distraction-free reading. Tech electronics cases are number 10. These cable management solutions utilize semi-rigid shells and elastic loops to protect expensive peripherals and eliminate transit friction, solving cord chaos. 11th is AirFly wireless transmitters. This tool enables high-fidelity wireless audio on legacy airline entertainment systems, allowing you to use personal noise-canceling earbuds on any plane. Portable safety locks are number 12. This simple yet effective secondary lock provides enhanced personal security and peace of mind for travelers in hotels and rental doors. 13th, solid toiletries bars. Bypassing liquid restrictions entirely, these bars are eco-friendly, leak-proof, and significantly reduce single-use plastic waste. Hidden pocket scarves are number 14. They blend fashion and utility, concealing a passport-sized zipper pocket as a secure anti-theft alternative to visible money belts. Number 15 is microfiber quick-dry towels. Compact, ultra-absorbent, and fast-drying, these towels occupy 80% less space, making them essential for backpacking and multi-destination trips. 16th, multi-port 100W GaN chargers. This unified charging solution can charge a MacBook Pro and iPhone simultaneously, drastically reducing the weight of a tech kit. Bluetooth audio sleep masks are number 17. They combine 100% light blackout with ultra-thin padded speakers, allowing travelers to comfortably listen to white noise or podcasts in any sleeping position. 18th is lightweight foldable duffels. This contingency luggage folds into a small pouch but expands to a 30-liter duffel for souvenir overflow or duty-free purchases. 19th, silicone reusable pouches are a durable, non-toxic replacement for single-use Ziploc bags. These self-standing pouches are TSA-friendly and nearly indestructible. Our final accessory, number 20, is minimalist smart wallets. They feature RFID blocking technology and a dedicated AirTag slot, offering an ultra-slim profile for secure front pocket carrying. These insights are based on the 2026 Retail Sentiment Index, sourced from Global Travel Retail Analytics Q4 2025. Thank you for your engagement. This briefing is now concluded.